Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix touchscreen not responding on your POCO C85. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case because it can cause a lot of interference. So basically, the screen protector, when it's poorly applied, misaligned, or just not fitting into your screen, it can cause a lot of issues with your touchscreen not being responsive. And the case, if it's not made from the perfect dummy phone, it can cover parts of the screen. As you guys can see, this case does not cover them, but some cases are actually long enough here to cover the part of the screen. It can cause ghost touches, also the touchscreen not responding. So we definitely want to get rid of it if that's the case. If not, then just keep it on. And now we want to clean our screen with a microfiber cloth. So give it to 1, 2, 3, at max 5 swipes. I always stick to 4. And now after 4 swipes, what you guys want to do is restart the phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now we want to swipe down to reboot, and now our phone is rebooting. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the phone restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is update your software. So go over to the settings. Here in the settings, we want to go over to About Phone, and in the About Phone we want to click on the HyperOS right here. As you guys can see, it will redirect us to a new page where we can update our software. So we can click on An update is available, then we can click on Download update, and in the same place we will have the Install update button, so no worries. And that's basically what you guys can do. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.